The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles east of Banks Lake South, or 42 miles northeast of Moses Lake, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilbur, Almira, Creston, Sherman, Coffee Pot Lake, and Govan. This includes yourself. Highway 2 in Washington between mile markers 208 and 230.